Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. Guys, this afternoon I'm going to make some pasta. Some pasta salad. So I went into Winners last week and I saw these pasta and I said, oh my god, this would be good for a salad. So now I'm going to make some salad. So I have a little green herb here, that's some parsley. I have my Mrs.Dash and flavor rice and a little garlic plus that I'm going to season it with after I finish. So my water is over here boiling. So I'm going to add my pasta to it. And after I'm going to show you step by step what I'm doing. Now my water is boiling, I'm going to add my pasta to the water. The first time I see this pasta, so I said, oh, when I saw it, I said, oh, this is good for a salad, a pasta salad. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. All the different colors. That's what I love about it. Because I eat with my eyes, so I like to see stuff with colors. So I'm not gonna add I don't want no salt in my pasta, so I'm gonna, because I'm gonna season it with some seasoning after, and the mayonnaise too. So you know, I don't want it to be too salty, because I have to watch my blood pressure. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna give it like 5 minutes to cook, and then I'll show it. Because I just want it al dente, so I'll get right back to you guys. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so my pasta is finished cooking. I do it for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna throw it in this drainer and cool it down with some cold water. So stay tuned, guys. So okay, my pasta is finished cooling down. I give it a cold water bath. I'm throw it off already, so I'm gonna add it to my dish. I'm gonna mix up everything in. It's almost full the dish. I don't have to put things in. This can't stir up. Okay. So now I'm gonna add all my ingredients. I'm gonna season with the garlic plus. I'm gonna give it a little dash of garlic plus. Not much. A little seasoning, flavor rice, just a little dash, and a little Mrs.Dash. All these seasonings I got them in Costco. These ones I bought in Costco. Just a little dash. And now I'm gonna add my mayonnaise, and this is the one I'm using. Start with a couple tablespoons. I'm going to get this together. Try to stir this together. It's a little bit small. So my pasta keep its color. Most of them didn't fade at all. Still looking nice. I'm gonna need some more mayonnaise. I'm still gonna stir it up a little more. I'm gonna let my niece taste it before I add any more mayonnaise. I don't love too much mayonnaise. After they can add to their own who's eating, can add more to theirs when they're ready. So guys, this is a very quick and fast side dish you can look about when you're making your Sunday dinner, or when in the afternoon if you don't have enough. Like sometimes you're eating leftovers and you don't have enough, you can make this dish on the side. Sometimes you have leftovers from Sunday or whatever. You just make a side dish with some pasta like this. I'm gonna add it to the bowl. Set pasta in the bowl. I'm gonna add it to the bowl. Pasta dish. Okay, that's okay. That's my dish. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley all over and make a mess. Finished product, guys. I'll just clean up a little bit, clean up a little mess around it. I like when I'm doing stuff, I do it clean and nice. Take up this one. I'm gonna give you a little taste scale so see you tell me what does it need. I'm gonna find a little fish. Let me find something small. Looking pretty. Yeah. So guys, this is my finished product of my pasta salad. So guys, remember, this is a nice side dish. If you have leftovers and it's not enough, you can make this dish and eat on the side with whatever you have. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching from, guys, so I can give you a shout out in the next video. Okay guys, so thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video. Thank you. Ciao. Bye bye.